Adorama. I purchased 2 batteries and a charger for my Sony A7 III, and I bought another lens for my A7 III. Yeah, it's a SAMYANG 24mm autofocus lens. See, autofocus 24, and that's the Sony A7 III. And that's the charger I purchased with 2 batteries from Adorama. This is one of my regular batteries. It's at 90% and it's charging, so we're gonna see. The other 2 batteries was at 100%. And the lens is pretty cool. I'm posting up some video on my YouTube that I took with this lens. And I have quite a few other lenses. You know, y'all wanna hold on a second, I can actually show you. Okay. Just hold tight there. These are all for the Sony camera bodies. I'm going to place them there, and I will name the lenses soon. A lot of lenses. These are the native lenses. Hold on. That one there. Okay, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. And all these lenses fit on both camera bodies. My ASPC camera body and my A7 III. Okay. Here we have, this is a SLR Magic 35mm CENIA lens. Sorry the glass is a little dirty. I don't know. It's pretty, you know, that's how that goes, right? That fits on my Sony A6500, as well as the Sony A7 III. This is the kit lens for the ASPC camera, the A6500. This right here is 60mm 7 Artisans macro lens. That's a Sony Nifty 50 that fits on the A7 III and the 6500. That's the A7 III with the SAMYANG 24mm. That right there is the Sigma 19mm. This is the Sigma 30mm 1.4. And I think I got another lens hidden somewhere, if I can find it. Hold on, I'm going to let y'all see the other camera body if I can get it up here. Okay. This is the A6500. See? That's my other camera body. But those are the native lenses that I have. And also, for F-mount, I have a Metabones adapter. See? F to E mount. Manual focus. So I can use my Yongnuo 85 millimeter 1.8. Crazy, right? I can use any one of my Nikon lenses. My 70 to 300, my 55 to 200, my pancake lens. My pinhole lens. Hold on. I'm gonna show you the Nikon pinhole lens. This is the Nikon pinhole lens. I think it's a 35 millimeter. Okay, that's the end of this. I'll be back with another video. Smooth One Productions, them out.